With your support, we have managed to reach our 595th episode today. Sanskriti Kolkata's partywear collection once again. I'm Lalia and I'll start with a gorgeous crush tissue which has a scalloped embroidered border. It's beautiful, especially the color. The color is a rich champagne, dark champagne copper burgundy color. Basically, there's one thread of burgundy and one thread of bronze. It's a beautiful crush tissue combination with Zardozi scallop border. Here is the border embroidery and this is the back side of the finishing. So the base color of the tissue will be there as the fall of the scallop embroidered border. These are pure crush tissues and comes with the burgundy blouse piece. Very, very gorgeous. And see, when it's a pure tissue, the fall automatically is very soft and it's manageable also. So sari that leaves a style statement and impact on all the viewers that sees you. A very, very stunning combination. The next one is this crush tissue with, it's cutwork. Cutwork embroidery in crush tissue and the color is an aqua color, a beautiful shade, pastel color shade. So the previous one was a metallic tone. This is a pastel chart and here goes the blouse piece which has zari weave in the chignon blouse as well as the embroidered cutwork border. For booking, please take the screenshot where the code number is mentioned and WhatsApp only 76030429696 is the booking number. First come, first serve basis. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse border. Lovely cutwork crush tissue in a peach tone. Now I'll show you a bluish grey color. This is a very unique shade. It's nice bluish greenish, again a very pastel tone, but basically the main color is the grey, hence the blouse piece is given grey. Yeah, it's best to wear a nice chunky earring with this instead of any neck piece because the border is so ornated. You don't need anything much. Just keep the look very simple, very nude, and it will give a beautiful effect on the total look of the sari. It's very, very beautiful. Here comes the coral color. So crush tissue with cutwork. I'm giving you many color options, very pretty colors, and this is the blouse piece in coral. Pastel metallic shades of crush tissue with thread work and cutting embroidery. The border has zari outlines as well to give it a nice edging to the embroidery. Now I'll show another our hot selling item, the metallic coffee color, black coffee metallic look with the black blouse. This is superb. These are our instant hit products. I hardly get to show in this YouTube videos because from the store itself it gets sold out, and not only from the store, it just goes off the rack from the WhatsApp status. So even in the WhatsApp status you will be able to see variety of unique pieces which are our hot selling item, our best sellers. So this is one of them. Very, very interesting combination, the look, the color. This is not crushed, this is a plain tissue, pure tissue with metallic copper bronze tone in black and metallic tissue. Organza with today's episode I'll show variety of tissues. This organza is subtly weaved in silver tissue. इसमें एक बहुत हल्का सा शीन है, कुछ टिश्यू ऑर्गेन्जास बहुत शीन होते हैं, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा टिश्यू होते हैं, जिसके वजह से द लुक और द फील बहुत ये टाइप का होता है, मेटालिक, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा टिश्यू होता है तो शीन उसमें ज्यादा होता है। लेकिन इसमें एक बहुत हल्का, दूर से आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि इस पे टिश्यू वीव है। इट्स लुकिंग लाइक मिल्क वाइट, इट इज, but very little use of tissue in the body, and it has this applique work in leaf design, a very prominent designer concept embroidery. This is the blouse piece, very unique smart piece, a very stylish sari to wear with your silver jewelry. We have done more designs in this shown earlier. This is the new embroidery. See I'll just show you the back side. I'll just explain a bit. See, ये जो body tissue है organza, pure organza, उसमें ये white color का applique done. Only few of the leaves just adorned with the silver applique work. So you see, ये white on white applique है with touch of few leaves silver से highlighted है, बहुत सुंदर। अब आ गया चिनॉन, satin चिनॉन crepe, satin finish crepe चिनॉन। ये मेरा प्रोफाइल पिक्चर है, संस्कृति कोलकाता फेसबुक पेज का प्रोफाइल पिक्चर में यही मेरा साड़ी है, but I was wearing with a striped blouse piece. With this, I'll give you a very smart designer new type blouse piece. So this is the chinon crepe, satin base in jet black. Party wear sari comes with this ajrak velvet blouse material. Ajrak velvet blouse piece with this gorgeous jet black. So see the simple narrow sleek border. See, this also has a narrower border. This is the sari exactly same what is there in my profile picture. In this, it was done in a photo shoot, Threads of Joy collection, with this exact same blouse piece. Restocked on high demand. 3-4 पीस है मेरे पास अब, तो grab the offer. Beautiful color, black with this stripe combination in chinon, and it's so, and you can, not only this black and white blouse, you can mix and match other blouse. Sometimes wear it with a red blouse, gold blouse, printed blouse, zardozi embroidered blouse, the striped blouse. So a one black smart sari, you can wear it with a nice belt. So it's very, very pretty. Now this is a shaded chinon. Upper part lemonish, lower part in golden yellow. Amazing. Comes with this kalamkari blouse piece in chinon. Shaded chinon, zari border, kalamkari blouse piece. Again, another very, very smart sari. This is the blouse piece. See? Lovely sari for a haldi ceremony जहाँ पे little day wear का हल्दी हो रहा है, बहुत smart look देता है इस type का साड़ी. Silk organza embroidery, and this is a handloom woven jamdani silk muslin organza. It's pure, woven in Bengal, needle jamdani. See the pallu, see the buttas, and amazing cross stitch work. Number 11. The sari is superb, pure muslin handloom jamdani with silver and gold zari weave, with this pure tissue organza blouse piece in gold. This sari is just class, and see how the weaving is done. It's a Pichwai inspired weaving where the Nandi, the cow, has been beautifully woven. Typical Pichwai concept weaving, hand woven with embroidered border. These are specially woven for this kind of saris. One of a piece. No repeats, no orders. Certain saris I make for myself. Maybe the ranges, exclusive पहनना हो तो थोड़ा range तो ऊपर जाता ही है. But that is just amazing. Those who are sari lovers, who loves to stock good quality saris and unique saris in their wardrobe, that's for them. This is a chinon once again with rhinestone embroidery. Rhinestone embroidery in antique silver. The color is a dark maroon shade. This is again a lightweight party wear sari. Range wise, it's very smart. Black, metallic, silver rhinestone. So even though it's black, these are summer party wear collection because it's a lightweight fabric, very breathable fabric, and it's not uncomfortable. You can wear it in the evenings and for summer party wears. Even for some home, with a nice halter blouse or a sleeveless blouse. Very smart look, and see how the stones have been set with high heat. Our signature collection of Pittan Zari. Pittan Zari with applique. Another stunning combination, stunning collection of our summer edits. Pastel lemon shade, and जो applique है यहाँ पे, it's in an aqua and a baby pink shade. Fully embroidered and set with Pittan Zari, hammered Zari work embroidery. Super piece. इतना सारा काम है, concept साड़ी है, blouse full heavy है, within 10,000. It's a very pretty saree. Superb work. Color lemon. Same stuff. Color baby pink. Silk organzas with work. Just beautiful. and the work is so well finished, complete. See the back side. That's why I'm showing you in details. For booking, just take the screenshot and WhatsApp. Now see this arrangement embroidered sari, where the yoke part will have this lovely work with a sleek, gorgeous machine Parsi border. The best part is there are two borders. One is the solid color border. Another is a multicolored pastel border. Number 16, yoke work with very smart all over sequence, self sequence, pink on pink sequence, crochet border, and this is the blouse piece. And the color, it's a pinkish, lavender type pinkish. It's a very pretty shade, very pretty. See the color. This is the color actually. Now here you can see the work properly. It's very important to show. I mean, we actually showing it in few seconds. We don't do justice to the effort that we put on making the whole sari for months. See the corner work. चाहे तो हम इसके बारे में आज तक बात कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसके पीछे जो एक स्टोरी है, कैसे कहाँ से ये मटेरियल आया, कारीगर को कैसे समझाया, क्या क्या सैंपल्स, मतलब इसके पीछे सब सारी are manufactured. Our 90% products are manufactured in our workshop in different states. Of course, I don't own all the workshops in different states, but in different states का कारीगर करता है, हमारा खुद का जो हमारे लिए काम करता है, हमारा कारीगर, पर्सनल कारीगर. तो इसलिए we just don't buy our, except for the raw material, 90% our products are manufactured. Hence the designs, the pattern, the finish are very unique. Only yesterday I got a call from a lady from Dubai, and she just watches all videos, but still she is waiting to buy saris from us to get the right color, because she loves the color of our zari, the finish, the finishing, the product. Even she's ready to wait, but she wants it from us. There are so many stores online who are showing many saris, but she's ready to wait. So this is what we, again, goodwill. Goodwill is what we look for. भले हमारा 10 से 8 साड़ी बिके, but वो 8 साड़ी का goodwill 100% होना चाहिए. Which is why I always say, मुझे feedback दीजिए. I personally try to answer all the messages. Even when my online team, my social media sales department does the selling, the video calls, but it's always that they or the customer forwards the details to me, so that I have a knowledge of what it's being sold in the store, what is in demand. So I keep on, we don't give sale. So whatever we keep on creating and then stock जम जाता है, ऐसे ना हो, इसके लिए हम पूरा कोशिश करते हैं. Look at this gorgeous coffee color sari. Coffee color with a very sleek, beautiful border, and see the bouquet of flowers embroidered. उसी type में this is pure tussar, desi tussar, and here is the blouse. How do you like this concept and the combination? कितना सारा टसर दिखाया, कितना सालों से टसर दिखाया. So can you imagine how much stock we have created and sold? But every time, whenever I plan to do a next video or go for creation, I always try to think, मतलब दिमाग में जितना हो सके नया कुछ concept, कुछ अलग अलग fusion, कुछ चाहे कोशिश करते हैं create करने के लिए. And this is the purple color of the same tussar. Again, another lovely blouse piece. How is the look? To get these products, visit our store, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Request customers to visit the stores because along with the digital shopping, there's always a special feel to physical shopping. So my staffs are there in both the branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We ship worldwide, cash on delivery in Kolkata only, outside Kolkata via courier. Tailoring unit is there in both the branches. This is a lovely, lovely, lovely organza, tissue organza in a glass tissue organza with silver zari weave and total handwork. ये हाथ का जो काम है पूरा मोती, मल, कड्डाना और सरोस्की स्टोन से ये काम है. You must see the work closely. Must. I'll take a bit time to show this work closely. Body में पूरा बूटा है और since I am also wearing a similar work sari, so it's better you see it on the wooden floor so that you can see the color and the design properly. Blouse. Sorry, हम थोड़ा बैठ गया फ्रेम के थोड़ा सा बाहर, लेकिन I want the product to be visible rather than me. See the work. है ना? ये हर कड्डाना में एक छोटा छोटा मोती है, फिनिशिंग है और कलर बहुत रिच कलर है, बहुत रिच, बहुत खूबसूरत गोल्ड टाइप का मल का काम है और बॉडी है सिल्वरिश metallic gray. Amazing. So you get an effect of gold and silver. The next one I'll show is in this white net. This is how you can see the video properly. See the work. आप देख रहे हैं ये जो भरा हुआ जो बॉर्डर है, कितना सारा स्टोन का सेटिंग है इसमें, स्टोन, मल, कड्डाना, इसके वजह से इतना सुंदर हाथ का काम आया है इसमें. टोटली हैंडवर्क एंड दिस इज द बैक फिनिश. हियर इज द ब्लाउज पीस. white, milk white. Okay, now you see the back side of the sari. It's complete with a white fall. Complete एकदम edging किया हुआ है. जहाँ पे आप टक करोगे ना, ये पार्ट में भी ऐसा फिनिशिंग है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप नेट लगा दिया. नेट का वेट आपका रहेगा नहीं. हाथ का काम है और जब सिर्फ नेट you will tuck ना, it will not see. That's why we've done a lovely finishing. And this is the sari. Through all full sari will have this same work. Amazing. This is how the exclusive party wear look, exclusive work. Same sari in your favorite black. Party wear. With blouse piece. अब पूरा साड़ी देखिए. टसर पिटन जरी. in a navy blue color. The work is in hammered silverish color with gold floral buta. So we have two zari embroidery in this, two colors. Number 23 comes with this blouse piece. हर एक साड़ी में वैरायटी है, जिसको ब्राइटनेस पसंद है, जिसको सीक्वेंस पसंद है, हर टाइप का. इवन दिस कैन बी अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल पार्टी वेयर लुक बिकॉज इट हैज जरी वर्क, दो इट हैज नो सीक्वेंस और करदाना और मल वर्क, बट दिस जरी इज सो प्रिटी, subtle, sober, yet it has the look. Number 23, we have the blouse stitching department. So if you want the blouses to be stitched, give us time, we'll do it for you. Color option, another lovely military green. This is very pretty. Pure tussar pitan zari work in bicolor zari. I always try to go slow, not hurry up with too many episodes. I find most happiness in creation. So for that, that is my me time, that is time that I give to myself, is creating. So maybe we do limited stock, 5 to 10 pieces of each, but they keep coming, keep coming and selling. So it's always there that way. But every time you visit, there will be something or the other. Yellow color. Many people were saying that wedding season show yellows. So this is a yellow silk, pure silk. Pure silk in yellow with zari buta and pitan zari scallop embroidered border. Very pretty, and it has, this is the look of the sari. Comes with this Banarasi blouse piece. So it's a yellow on yellow. And this is the blouse. Ask the tailor to do it this way only. Don't give it a straight line. Let it be like this. Red in this. This is the back side finished with fall, so no need of, my tailor had delivered this without doing the edging, the back side. I said, customer कहाँ पे ऐसा fall लगाएगा, कौन लगा देगा उसको? वापस गया, फिर आया. Finished with this. Do comment and join us in our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook Live, and let me know if I'm on the right track. 29 years of experience in this fashion industry. So, but still there's so much to learn, especially in the social media forum, because I'm very, very old school type. I'm still struggling with these, these apps and this Reels, YouTube, Insta. It's all so, headache, such a big headache. Life was much easier before. A tissue woven georgette. Very, very beautiful handwork. The zari tissue georgette has zari polka butas weave. Border में end में एक corner embroidery है. तो overall range 15-16 हजार के ऊपर ही चला जाता है, but I try to keep it as less as possible, depending on the work and the effort, the material, सब मिलाकर range हम इतना सारा hand का काम, what I see in the market, it's very very expensive, but I try to keep as low as possible. This is the work, very close. It's a gold, light gold with bright gold, very beautiful work. The next one is the pink shade, peach pink shade. See the work here, very beautiful. And see, I don't just stop, I do a lot of edging, finishing. इसमें एक बहुत खूबसूरत, the fabric is very very beautiful fabric. And this is the blouse piece for this peach one, peach pink. आपका neckline वगैरह सब किया हुआ है, so आप जैसे भी plain blouse बनाए आपका एक designer look ही आएगा. So don't have to spend 7-8,000 on a blouse. ये ब्लाउज में आप अस्तर देकर बनाइए, एकदम डिजाइनर लुक आएगा. See the work. The color is amazing. Next is this pink color. Georgette woven. This is slightly blended fabric in zari weave tissue, but very pretty with bandhej mothra print done. Zari woven border. Amazing fall. बहुत सुंदर, ये सब बहुत प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है. मिक्स्ड होने से क्या होगा, लेकिन ये क्वालिटी बहुत प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है. एंड इसका ब्लाउज देखिए, क्यों नहीं होगा, इसका काम देखिए. Superb sari is just the Abir pink color. See this sari. Amazing, very very beautiful with nice sheen tissue and with the zari bootas, full work blouse, very gorgeous. The one that I'm wearing, I'll show a color option in that. This is a lemonish tone. It's pure woven sari in silver stripe with rangkat pattern. ये जो stripe आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, जो lemon का जो look है, lemon का जो stripe है, this is painted, but it just to give it a rangkat feel. It's pure. Two shades. One is a dusty lilac color, and the other one is a lemon tone. टू कलर का ये इसमें ब्रशिंग किया हुआ है. टोटल हैंड वर्क विथ एन अमेजिंग चिनॉन ब्लाउज. वाओ, सिल्क चिनिया ब्लाउज है इसमें. बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी है. ये फैब्रिक इटसेल्फ बहुत सुंदर है, हैंडलूम फैब्रिक है. अब देखिए साड़ी, वेरी स्मार्ट. संगीत वगैरह के लिए, you can go to weddings. The work is just superb, excellent work, all hand work, just excellent hand work. And it's lightweight also. The one that I'm wearing, similar type in a sky and pink shading. With this lovely sky blouse piece. Just superb. बहुत यूनिक है. थोड़ा टाइम लगा, थोड़ा अलग फैब्रिक शो करने के लिए, लेकिन है बहुत मस्त. This is 14,500. Back, sleeves, all comes with work. 14,500 for this lovely This is a silk organza zari woven sari. It's not like organza. It's a very soft one. It's not stiff and not see-through also. Very soft and a lovely fabric. So this is the last one, the ones that is hanging. Okay, before I end, show the hanging ones. This is the neck piece that I'm wearing along with the earring. 2500 is the mala with the earring. 2500 is the set. To see more variety in our party wear collection, do contact 7603042696. You can opt for video call or more pictures. This is a Georgette printing in stripes. Very, very smart, fashionable sari with हर स्ट्राइप के इन बिटवीन जहाँ पे कलर एंड होकर दूसरा कलर होता है वहाँ पे सीक्वेंस से ये हाईलाइटेड है with piping finish. 15,500 pure Georgette. Lovely party wear look, and when you wear it will have a very lovely fall of the sari, and this is the blouse piece in satin chinon. Very pretty. बहुत मस्त साड़ी है. I had worn another shade in one of my personal parties. बहुत अच्छा comments आया. And this is the lilac color, lavender color of the similar type. इसका border में sequence है और body में भी थोड़ा सा concept same है लेकिन pattern थोड़ा सा different है. वहाँ पे all stripe था, यहाँ पे in between थोड़ा क्लस्टर भी है. बहुत 2-3 टाइप का हमने किया. इसमें एक लेस का आउटलाइन है. 14,500 with this sequined blouse piece with this in lavender. Once again, the look of the sari. Okay. So this is the two pieces which is hanging. Very smart piece. Very beautiful piece. I should have draped it and displayed, but look बहुत मस्त है उसका. So thank you so much. Stay tuned.